Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete a temporary files, scanning temporary files and remove temporary files completely from your storage in Windows 11. So first step, you can click on start and then click settings, and now you can jump into the system and storage. Here, as you can see, there are some options here: installed apps and temporary files. On the top, you can click on temporary files, and here you can refresh to scanning temporary files. As you can see, so fast. And here you can remove files. All the files here you can remove it safely, and you can uncheck downloads if there is a important file inside download folder. Please uncheck this box first, and you can safely check or delete thumbnails, delivery option, optimization files, and so on. So after that, you can completely remove or delete the temporary files by click remove files button. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.